I have no idea. What's wrong with my green screen? Something's wrong with my green screen. That's fine. Hello, hi, and welcome. I don't know if any of this works, but yeah. I wanted to program and I was like, I'm way too lazy to program right now. So I was like, let's live stream and then let's program on the live stream. Hey Ali, hey Alex, hi. Yeah, it's just my laziness. That's why I'm streaming, because I couldn't get my ass up. So I said, hey, if you stream, you have to do something. That's my way of doing this now. Oh yeah, I put up on some chill beats. The song is actually called Chill. That hopefully does not get me demonetized or copy striked or whatever it is. You don't need to help me, Ali. You can give me, like, you can tell me, hey, do this, do that. Hey Dora, hi. Yeah, well, I wasn't online 1 minute before. I am online now. No, it's not Minecraft again. I played Minecraft a little bit. I'm still playing it a little bit on the background. Not right now, but during the day. But I didn't. It's our craft, yeah. But yeah, I'm not planning on continuing streaming. Yeah, we killed the End Dragon. Yeah, Ali, we did. We finally did it. So what are we doing here? What are we doing? Current status. I have worked. Wait, let me reset actually. Let me export. We still have some. We have one error right now. Let me just deactivate that for now. To get rid of the error. They cheated. Well, yes, she is correct. We have cheated. Let me export the game and then tell you what we can do. But it's correct. Should I lie? Hey, no, we didn't cheat. Blah, blah, blah. No, we cheated. But we didn't cheat a lot. We just cheated some basics. Let's say it like this. Put these trees somewhere here, so we have a nice little forest. This thing somewhere here. Lightning. I don't care about the lightning right now. Let's export the thing right now, and then I'll tell you what the status is, and then you tell me what should I do next. I mean, I know what I... Oh, I just deleted the folder. That's relaxing music. No, you don't... Your Dancing Ninja is somewhere in the... I will let you know. It's somewhere in my things here. I don't know where it is right now. Jackbox stream tomorrow might be an idea. I was planning on streaming Tia Portal tomorrow. Because Thursdays is always Tia day. Maybe on Friday, Hey Alpha Red. Yeah, this is different. This is not Fluid Sim, you're right. My Fluid Sim videos are what, like almost 2 years old? No, at least more than 1 year. So I'm exporting right now, and then we see the current status, and then you tell me what you want, basically. And I'll tell you if it's possible, and then we just make it. Like the ninja from last time, he's not in there anymore. I will have to put him back, but yeah. I know the videos are very helpful, that's why they are up there. And they're monetized, so I get some money out of it. No, and I'm helping people with it. I always like it. Townfall, the ninja, there you go, you can have it back. There we go, ninja. Oh, that's snow. There. There's your big ass ninja. He's not gonna be in the version I'm showing now, because I just exported. There's your the thick ninja, as I call him. No, it's not. MC Marcel? No, it's not on tier. So, that's the current status, right? Ah, no, the ninja's not here, right? So in the end, it's kind of like a build your city thing. Right, you can build a city. Wait, let me get in build mode actually. Build your city thing. Wow, I pressed escape. Escape is end the game. That's just test-wise. Whoops, I'm an idiot. I should not press it. You want Minecraft 3? Well, that might be a little bit difficult. I've already done here. Let's put blocks in. Bloop, 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 bloop. Right now it's like creative actually. So I can build here. I could just build a house or something. That's one part, but for getting resources for building the house, I actually need to gather the resources, right? So right now it's all free because I'm kind of creative, I would say. And it's not pretty, like the graphics will improve, everything will improve. So I could build a house, whoops, now. Wrong. Hey, build there, there. That's nice music. And it's copyright free, yay, copyright free music. Let's build some stairs. Whoops, I built the wrong block there. God damn it. And one of these, this is the most pretty block. Do you see that one? That's the pretty block. Yeah. So I can build these blocks, but I need resources, right? What I've been working on is the resource system. Cyberpunk 2077. Oh, that's maybe a little bit too much. So, the resource system is as follows. You see this board here? I would have workers, like these are all inhabitants. Your city has inhabitants, like these pretty ladies right now. And also Ali the Ninja, not Ali the Ninja, but the Ninja, right, as we call him. Gonna be one inhabitant, or whatever you want to call them. I don't have a name yet. I call them villagers for now. And I can put them to work. I think this one I called Bob. And this one, I have no idea how that one was called. I think just Lady. And on this board... On this board, I can give them tasks. The thing is, I do not have tasks yet. First thing is you need to go out into the world and find so-called resources. Right? That would be, for example, here. This is one, it's some kind of... I think I called it copper. Then we have wood. You need to find these, right? Yes, that is how my reality works. Exactly. Yeah, I found these, and now I have them available in my city. It was 2 times trees, branches, 1 copper. You see this? And now I can assign Bob or Lady. That's how they call them. Bob collects branches, Lady collects copper. And this is how the resource system works. Now they would be collecting. I don't want them to walk away, that's why they're still there. And basically they are collecting, and now if I would go here, right? This is the city, the what is it called? The storage, and they would put things in here. Like you can see, this would be copper, this would be those branch thingies, logs, whatever, wood. Hey, Riticorn, hi. And I would just put it here, and then I can use it for building, for improving, for crafting as well. And that's the whole idea here. The only thing is I was too lazy to implement this here. I'm currently working on they're gathering resources. Right now they're just assigned to a task. Like Bob does this, Bob does nothing, Bob does this now. Now they would both collect branches. But they're not doing it right now. There's nothing happening in the background. They're just assigned. And the next thing I wanted to program is to assign them. To actually have this city storage. And that's what I'm working on. So that's what we're doing here. No, not this. Yeah, on the right side, the city storage. Got the store all resources button, but that is kind of useless. And another inhabitant. Let's look at the ninja again. There we go. It's not dancing. Why is it not dancing? Oh, I know why. 1 second. This one needs an animator. Needs an animator controller. Ninja. That it? That it. So I think Ali, you're ninja. There we go. Oh, it's the ninja we created with Ali last time. Look at him, he's so happy. Oh, that one. I forgot. That's why I deleted it, because I always had to laugh when I saw it. It's the thick ninja. Why is it barefoot? Oh, to be quiet, right? Ninjas have to be quiet. I don't know why. Why does this even exist? Good. Here we go. Maybe let's not do this. Maybe let's not have the ninja there. Wait, actually, yeah, I want to. Prefab. Should we make this ninja? Ninja. Here we go. Now it's ninja. Right. What do I need to do with this? 1 second. Get rid of it. Whoops. Which one are you? NPC assistant lady? NPC Bob? I'm just copying things right now. This one is Bob now. That's enough. And then in the end, everyone should have a house, and you have to build the house, and you have to defend the base as well. And there's a lot of things that should happen. I hope that still works. I hope I didn't just break everything, did I? So that one's Bob now. I love that Bob is dancing. He's just dancing all the time now. Oh yeah, Bob still exists, good. I love it. Good. So, next thing is I want to have this resource display. Actually, this is like the storage box of your city. This is like the city center right here with the task board, the so-called, and the city storage. I just need to change the city storage a bit. That's not it. Yeah, so right now it looks exactly like the other thing, the one that is the task board, which I don't want. This one should look more like the menu I had, so I would get rid of this. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working yeah. Oh, close button. Yeah, that's correct. Where is the close button? There should be a close button here. Oh, it's inside the thing. I didn't know it could. Inside. I just copied this over from another object, like from the taskboard, and there were a lot of errors when I copied it. Because there is still a lot of scripts there, yeah. Taskboard manager. I don't even know what these scripts were. I'll just remove it for now. No, interactable board is, I think that's the thing what I want. I cannot remember, like my program is already too big. I can't remember. I can maybe remember 10% of it. No, that's correct, but which view is this? Oh, I do this? Public. Because I always want the script that I have that I just copied, it should always be linked to a camera object. And that I want to do like this. Yeah, whatever. Camera object. The only problem is that I'm using the script everywhere, and I don't know if it still works if I only... I do this. Hey Mohammed! Oh, we're not gaming today. We're programming and gaming because it's a game that I'm programming. That is. What? Let's say select it. Camera. It should still work theoretically, I hope. Does it? Oh no, how do I optional? How do I make something optional? Wait, no, do I have to? Oh, no, no. Wait, this could be an advantage. This could be an advantage. You don't know what I'm doing right now, but this could be an advantage actually. Let me think. The problem is right now I'm selecting a camera that I want to look from when I'm changing the thing. Oh, that's actually easy. Oh, I'm an idiot. That was correct. Camera object, that is correct. But the following is the case. I want to change the camera. Mohammed, I don't know either. I would love to know. I want to change the camera that I'm looking through, and I can just use the script itself. I can just access the camera object and just change it. The camera, pass camera equal to camera object. Done. That's it. And now I can just do this. That should work. Yeah, so it's different camera views now, and this one here should be for this. Not interactable city storage. I don't need the city storage anymore. Old scripts that I do not need anymore. Yes, I love it. When programming, you come to the point where most of your program is like obsolete. You don't care about it anymore because it's old. It was old stuff that you didn't really think about. And I love when that happens because that happened to this script right now. And I'm like, I don't need it anymore. So I will call it old. And I won't touch it again because I don't need it anymore. I have a full folder that just says old materials. Yeah, old, because I don't need it anymore. I just sounded like a seal. Old. But that's a good thing that I changed this, because now it is just an interactable board. I need to select a camera object, and I can do this. It's the only camera I have available in this object here. Perfect. Love it. Only thing, I need to do that here as well. Good. That should... Now I should not have any errors down there. Yes, I do not have errors. Perfect. I hate that this thing is still dancing. If I click on this, I should see this. If I click on that, I should see that. Yeah, perfect. Ah, delicious. The only problem is I could not see the whole thing here. But that's fine, I think. No, it's not. We change the camera. The camera should be... It should look... Like, we should be able to see exactly as the screen. And that's what we have. That's... Is that a problem? No, that's not a problem. You see this? It just doesn't show on the bottom. Camera is a little bit too high. We have a preview here, so I will need to change the camera a bit. Let's drag it back. It doesn't change. Oh, right, I have it as... Oops. That makes sense. Orthographic size. Yeah, I can change it here. You see it? Let's make a size of 1. Hey, Horst! Hi, just programming a little bit today. Viewport erect. Oops. Ooh, that's nice. I can do this. I don't know. I don't know which values I'm changing right now. Welcome to programming. There's two different camera types. There's a perspective one that's like real, like you're looking at something, and you have the perspective, like the little cone. And there's orthographic ones that just show everything like a plane. Like looking on a screen, you just see the screen as a square. Doesn't matter where you are. You see the sexy house you built. Did you see my house? You probably put like right next to my door. You probably put the note there. I'm still working on my house. I could rescale it, but that's not something I want to do. Let's just make it the 1. That doesn't matter. We can't just use it like this. The problem is, if you work with cameras, it's gonna change anyway, because your game in the end will run on different solutions unless you set it to a fixed solution, a resolution, which I will not do. I want a flexible resolution, so I have to take care of everything. Oh, by the way, this is perspective view that we have right now. Like you see, we're looking in the cone. I cannot look at the plane, at this thing. If I look from the front, I will still see the sides a little bit. Unless I'm exactly in the front and then it's exactly a square, but that needs a little bit of precaution. If I go to another view, this right now is... Whoops. No. This is orthographic view. It doesn't matter from where I look. You see it? I always see it as a square. I'm looking always from the front, from one dimension. Why? Both have advantages and disadvantages, of course. In programming, you need both in 3D. There's no way around it. Got this now. Perfect. Probably because of camera here as well. Yeah. What makes sense? Oh, I have never played the game. I saw it. Like, I saw it back then when gaming magazines were still a thing. I had a demo in a magazine. I played the demo, but that's it. That looked fantastic. The demo was fun. Like, you could set up your own film studio. You could make movies. Like Movie Tycoon. Nowadays it would be called Movie Tycoon or something. That was pretty fun, gotta say. Didn't play it. I wanted to play it, but I was still so young that I couldn't. Hey, Umang. I didn't have too much, well, money was not really the problem, but, well, my pocket, like my allowance every week, I didn't really spend on video games, so nah. And we also didn't really pirate, so nope. Last thing that I want. How old am I? Hey, MC Marcel. Almost as old as you. We're close to each other. If 1990 is your birth year. Born in 1988. Usually I don't say. It's around 30. That's what I usually say. Around 30. I've got these different views. If we go to the game, we start the game, you will see on the top left, depending on what I look at right now. This is the view game. This is the view game. And if I press tab, it opens UI inventory and UI equipment. Or if I go to this thing, or if I hit B, B is the build mode. It switches between quick access and build. Or if I hit the thing here, you see right now nothing activates, no view. Of course I want now the city storage to activate. Why? What's wrong? Why does the ground behind look so strange? Why does it look like it's upside down and stuff? Is that because I have it as an orthographic view? Yeah, that's the ground. Do you see the stuff, the grass back there? Well, that's basically what we see here. But here the same. Here it's hard to see because this thing fills the whole screen. I think we should probably go with a perspective camera. Should we? Let's see what perspective camera looks like. Might be better. Perspective cameras are more real, if you want to say so. I think perspective makes more sense. It looked really funny right there. I know you didn't see much, but for me it looked funny. Yeah, that makes more sense. We can see the rest behind. I'll do the same for the passport, actually. Will I? Nah, I don't care. Nah, I care. I care. God damn it. I like the music, actually. I gotta say, it's copyright free. So it probably gets me demonetized anyway. But shouldn't. Should be just there. Yeah, that looks nice. Actually, I like the perspective one more here. There's of course applications where you do this, where you do that camera, but I don't mind. I'll just do whatever I feel like. Yeah, that's better. Now we can see the mountains and stuff. Does this X work? This X actually works. Didn't think so. Yeah, so I've already built everything in a view that I want in the city storage. It's this view here. It's the city storage view. Go in here. We have a city storage view. Whoops. Right now it's hidden. I will have to make it on hidden. Saving failed. Check the console. What? Oh, it's got missing script. Ah, yeah, because I know. And there's this thing. This is what I want to show on the little city storage on the storage thingy. Oh, I have to change scripts. Oh no. Because I changed some things, I will need to change things. Oh no. Oh no. That's fine. Is it? I didn't think I would have problems. I thought it would just be copy and paste, but there's some problems attached to it. No. It's fine. Is it though? I'll just copy. I'll just take this with me. Copy this thing. This card changes. I don't want to change. I don't want to save. Thank you. Storage. I'll just put it in here. And then I'll just copy and paste back and forth. But I have to make so many changes. I thought I would just copy and paste. Did you know? Fun fact. Making video games is a little bit more difficult than playing video games. Playing video games is pretty easy, I would say. Making them, well, you need to think a little bit about what you're doing and you need to put in a lot of effort. Who would have guessed? I know. It's crazy. Storage City UI, what is this? I don't even know what I wrote here. It's like a variable, it's instance items count. What is this? It's like programming. Yeah, of course, it is programming. You see this? I am programming, so it really is. Stack current. What the frick did I do here? Oh my goodness. Have other scripts attached to it? I hope I don't. Hey David. Hi. Oh, storage slots. That one makes sense. Storage slot makes sense to take. 4? No, this is fine. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a button. Store resources button. That one I'll take. The button I can pretty much immediately take over. And now I know what the other one, what the storage. Yeah, I know what this script does. It's when I press the button, a store all function is called, and it goes through my inventory. It goes through all the stuff I have in my inventory, and it adds all the stuff that I want to store in this box. It stores in the box. That's what the script does. So that's perfect. Good. See, I still know what my program does, so I need the script. Just put that here. Hey, I have some. MC Marcel, I have some comments. If I did not know, like while I was programming it, if I completely got lost while I was doing it, I actually have some comments to it. But you're right, I have like functions that are like 100 lines of code, and I'm like, I have no idea what's going on. Wait, let me show. Wait, last time, what was it? This one here? No, this one is not it. This one. No. Yeah, this one here. Look at this. I'm making a game, David. I'm making a video game. Here, look at this. There's comments. A worker is selected for a slot here. Hey, this is a new slot is selected. Hey, this is the same slot is selected. Hey, this is a different slot is selected. Hey, this is take the old bitch. So whenever I get lost, I also make comments. And you see, it's like 105 lines of code. And I just put them there, and usually I don't care. Normally I get lost so much. Stupid programming. Who would have known it's difficult? Good. So button. You have the script is copied? Yeah. Next is the button. I want the button, of course, on the canvas. Button goes to canvas. It is kind of a survival, I would say. But it's more, you build your own city. You build your city, I would say. Board. But there we have the board, and I've put the button on here. Where's the freaking button? Oh, the button is still there? What? No, the button should... I hate... Look at this. Look at the coordinates. It's at minus 87,000. Yeah, that's exactly where I want it. No, it should be stretched here. You go there, please. Look at this. Now it is there. Store our resources. It's a little bit big now. Is that the canvas? Why is it still... Why does this button still suck? Button, why do you suck? Yeah. Right now I have the problem because I need to go through some old stuff that I did probably a week or two ago. And I don't know what I did. No, this is... Why is that button so suck? Whoops. No. Well, yeah, that's actually where it needs to go. Huh? No, go to the bottom. There. It should go there. Dead by Daylight would be a nice idea. Dead by Daylight sounds nice, actually. I might be... I think I have it. Oh, there we have rotation 0, scale 1, 1, 1. So there were still some settings wrong. And now the button is on our board, as you can see. Nice. I think no, let's put it on the bottom. Well, that's just design later on. Dead by Daylight. Yeah. Do I have it? Let me check out my Steam, what I have. Is there still a Steam sale still going on? It's the bottom. Only thing I need to change now is take this board. No. Everything is on sale right now. Storage City UI. Why does it give me this strange list? Object is, which one was it? This board? Yeah. Storage City UI script. Button. This board goes in here. Take the Storage City UI script, and there is store all. But got it. So if you press the button now, that happens. Yeah, I opened Steam right now. Let's see, Steam Summer Sale. Yay, wishlist. Do I have this? Dead by Daylight. It seems like I don't. I think I never played it because it's like this multiplayer thing. I need other players. I'll let you know, buddy. I'll let you know. I'll buy it later. When does Steam sale end? July 9th. Oh, it ends tomorrow, so today I've got to buy a lot of things. Perfect. Good that you reminded me. You've got this button now that stores all of our resources. BUR? What do you mean? What does BUR mean? Without license? Like this cracked versions? I don't know. All my software is legit. Good, so we've got this now. I mean, I could just grab the old stuff, but do I want to? Store? I don't care about this anymore. Line. I don't care about this anymore. Line. I can just grab this thing and put it in there, and then I'm done. Someone paid. I mean, sure, everyone can do whatever they want, but no, I'm even one of the guys that wants to buy WinRAR. Always wanted to have it, actually. With Delta? With Delta? I've never seen this. I'll keep it at this. I don't care. 111. What? It's got a grid layout group. That's good. Everything here seems okay, but oh, it's, why is it here? Why is this thing here? Why is it not where I wanted to? Why does it have deltas? What is programming? How does programming work? Can anyone explain to me how to program? Spacing 600? Yeah, that makes sense, okay. Why is it grid layout group? That doesn't make sense, but okay. Huh? Why is it floating around here? See, that's what happens if you just copy and paste. Okay, that looks okay. It's in the board. The board is the canvas, right? No, it's not. Oh, I put it in the wrong thing. I put it in the wrong place. My bad. Go in here. There we go. I am just an idiot. That's why. There we go. See, it's there now. Hey, come on. Oh, I can't. It's in a grid layout group? is then. Here we go. Here we go. See, got it. Current bitrate of my audio stream is at 0. Have I not been talking to you? I have been talking, haven't I? Yeah, it's not 0. Why is YouTube lying? Blatant liar. So it's now on there. That is way better, and everything should work already? Question mark? This one, I don't want this one to have an image. Kind of annoying. I'll make 2 rows. Yeah, I'll make 2 rows actually. Layout group. It's got a padding. I don't need the padding, I think. Colleague of mine, you say? Yeah, we can play, but not today, not today. Maybe tomorrow. Or not Friday. Cell size, spacing. Why does it have this huge padding on top? Should. Just should. Oh, it doesn't. What? Is that padding? Just the... Oh, top 70. Haha. Sure, that makes sense. Something like 50. And I want 2 right next to each other. Which means I've got the spacing, yeah. Which means at first I need to make it a little bit smaller. And I'll make the padding to the left less. Padding. Nice. 0. Right, 0, sure. Bottom, 0, fine. Because it can't go in the button anyway. I'm changing that. Good. Now I want to do things. What do I want to do? I forgot. I can make these a little bit smaller. Just the bar a little bit smaller. Width? No. What? Why doesn't it work? Background current. Total bar. 50. Oh, there. Let's make it 250 on. Why didn't I make this on like 1 variable? Doesn't matter. Sometimes I'm wondering what I do. Some of the things don't make any sense at all. Here we go. Like this. And now I just need to make 2 next to each other. I mean, it could be always... well, I can make it pretty later on. Padding cell size. How big are these? 450 something? Bar is 250 plus the icon, which is 60. That's 350. Let's make 350-ish. No spacing. Look at this. This is nice. The only problem is they are always in the center. Why are they in the center? Start corner, start axis horizontal, start upper left. Oh. Oh, they actually... No. Where's their... Yeah, the problem is that they are not really centered. Their pivot is wrong. Why is their pivot so wrong? This feels strange. Just changing this value around. Why are they on such a big canvas? What did I do with these? Like, these suck. I did something completely wrong with those. But I could also, okay, we're going backwards here a little bit. I'll change everything a little bit. I will just put the bar below. The problem is, oh, no, I can't do it. Oh, the position I can do? 60, yeah, with 60. So it's just gonna display how much we have on there. Right. 20. Oh, yeah. Why did I not make this so it actually... There was a reason, but I forgot. Yeah, this one is correct. This one actually adjusts according to the size of everything else. It doesn't matter. It's big. Oh, it is. No, that's fine. It's gonna be thick. It's gonna have those thick lines there. That might be a little bit too small, but it should be fine. So the cell size is like, let's make 80-80. That looks good. That looks decent. And now if we collect material, it displays how much we have on the bottom there. I could also put a number there, but not gonna happen. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. The bars are still okay, I would say. We just need to put things in there. If you go to those resource hubs that you can detect, you can also collect from them. Like, I've got an inventory and I right now have 10 copper in there. So you either walk there or you give your city villages the command. Oh, stack is full, right? Both work. For testing, I should probably change. Store all? Did that work? That kind of worked, but I just not collect enough. Items, resources, branches. I have 10 branches currently. I can just change it there. Can I? Man, I'm... I should think about this again. Stack max, stack current. Stack current is still at 10. What? It's not in my inventory anymore. It's not at 10. What? Oh, it's at 10. Strange, so I did something wrong or not finished. Stall. Oh, now we can see it. It was just not enough. The black lines actually were too thick to display it. So I need thinner, thick lines. Some I had, like, Tier Portal, I would say 95% or 90% is self-taught. The internet. It's probably the internet. It's all self-taught, I would say. I want to say, hey, I had it in my studies, but I did not have Tier Portal in my studies. And this one definitely not as well. See, I've got this filled up a little bit. Those are buttons. Why are these buttons? I don't want this to be a button. Maybe. But it works. Let's say it works. I mean, it's not pretty, but it works. Well, let's get rid of this so we can just see it like this. That's prettier. And also, what do I want to do? Make this not clickable. Got it. Done. Yeah, this one here is 100% self-taught. Tier Portal is probably 90%. I've been to a Tier Portal course. To an official C-Train training. But I already knew almost everything there. I did go there pretty late in my TIA Portal career. Yeah, almost everything's self-taught. Yeah. See, my storage fills up. It fills up. Huge problem that I have right now. Is it? Change an update? Oh yeah, changes on. Oh, that's bad. This is not good. Why does it do this? Oh yeah, it's on the update. I have to... Oh, I already prepared it. You don't know what I'm doing right now, but I already prepared it. I've got this on this function here that updates the UI. I've got it on the update function, which is pretty bad. Because now for every element that I have, which is 5 elements, on the update is called every tick of the game, which is like every frame of the game, approximately 60 times per second. Every time it is called, and for 6 elements, or however how many materials I will have in the end, which is of course resource very stupid if it comes to resource usage. It slows down my program. What would be better? I only do this, right? I only update whenever the button is pressed, because that is, or whenever something changes with the with any of the materials. So what I basically want to do is not call it on the update, but on the button press, which makes sense. But therefore I will need to do it. Oh god damn it! How did that work? I will need to make it with a listener. I did a listener in my inventory, but I forgot how it works. Yeah, on a delegate. We have those delegates. I have no idea. T-posing? Hey Carol, I can T-pose. Here we go. Yeah, the ladies are still T-posing there. This one there. But that's only while I'm programming. If I start the game, she is not. She has an idle animation. She is not T-posing. She's standing there. She's even dancing. If I approach her, she walks to me. And then she even dances, you see? Whatever that dance is, the shuffle. Is that the shuffle? Could be the shuffle. Yeah, I have to make this delegate. Oh my goodness. Text me some. Oh, this is bad. I want to make, I don't have to make this. Feels like Gmod all over again. That's right. I'll just imagine making something like Gmod. That'd be awesome. I love that little dance. And we also have a second NPC. Look at this NPC. I hate this one so much. Gmod is easy content, you're right. But it's not, I did not have too much fun like doing it 20 years ago when the scripts were cast. And the old scriptures were written. Oh, I still have to change heroes so much. Yeah, I have to do it. I'll take this delegate with me and I will put that. The Yogscast play. I have not watched any Yogscast in ages. Where is it? Well, I'm still in the game now. That's not correct. Task, but no city storage. The city storage had I built already a manager, did I? There it is. Interactable board. The storage city UI. I'm gonna call it storage city UI. Oh, it makes sense here. I'll grab all of this even. You don't need to know what I'm doing right now. You're just there. You're helping by just being there. Instance of Storage City found. Oh, a prop hunt. I never played any prop hunt. That would probably be fun. But I've never played any prop hunt. Like, I haven't played, like, in the last 10 years or probably more. What is it, 15 years probably? I have almost only played World of Warcraft. I've barely played anything else. Every here and there, but not really. Every now and then played something else, but not really. And since I didn't play World of Warcraft anymore, which is like a year now, man, I've played so many different games now. But I still have to like keep up. I still have to play 10 years worth of games. How does this work again? So this is the store all button. On the store all button, I want to do this, I think. No programming errors. That's good. I have no idea what I'm doing. Build inventory. No. Build inventory manager. Build inventory. That's good. Our own avatar. I'm making my own game, buddy. Oh, what is this? What is this abomination here? I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Build inventory slot? No, Storage City there. Alright. What? Inventory instance? That doesn't even exist. Oh no, store. Yeah, no. Oh, Storage City. What? What is Storage City? What? What is Storage City? I've got a function and I have no idea what it is. What? There. Oh. Store, use item? Build inventory. No. No. I messed up. I mean, I didn't mess up too bad, but I messed up. Why do I not take this and put it in there? Am I stupid? I must be stupid. I gotta be stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. Store all, you come with me. Come here. Now this doesn't exist then. This is fine. I can get rid of this. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is bad. Ooh, yeah. If you have no idea what I'm doing, I'm just, oh my goodness, I'm just optimizing my code while programming, which you should never do. You should never do both at once. But I'm doing it. I don't care. This Storage City UI, where is it? Storage City UI, I don't need it. Why would I even do it? Oh, now if I run the game now, there's gonna be like 5 errors. Well, that's fine. Cause I can fix it. You can fix it. More than one instance, no, there's not. too many errors. I'm surprised. If I do this, there's gonna be... No, what? Shouldn't this now say, hey, there's a function I don't know about? What? It should. So storage city is here. Why storage city here? What? Storage city UI, you can suck it. Oh my god. What? Object reference is not set to an instance of an object. I can't. Why? Not set to... What? I just broke everything. No, I didn't. Should be fun. Yeah, those scripts are gone here, that's why. I know. No, we're good. Sure save. We're good again. So many error messages. Whenever you see a lot of error messages, you know you're doing the right thing. Yeah, 100%. Sit. Should be fine now. The only thing, the button we just had. Go here. The stupid button down there just needs to be parented now, or just needs to be looking to another object. Yeah. This one. Yeah, I know. I totally know what I'm doing. Got it. No error messages, see? Continue here. Oh, it's really no error messages. Just continue here. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't just break everything. But when I see an error, I need to fix it immediately. Store? Yes, still works. No, null point. No, what? No. Yeah, of course. No, that's fine. That error that we see down there, there's an error in the line. Null reference exception. That is because I have that. It's an error. But that's the one I'm working on now. Whew. I hope so. Should be gone now. I did something off screen. Oh my goodness. Why does it say continue here 5 times? Kind of strange, but okay. So all? Yes, no error anymore. Yes. Yes. As PewDiePie would say. Good. That means we can continue here. I have no idea what I'm doing. I like that I wrote everything in caps here. Selecting blocks not active currently. Always adding next pre-slot. Deselect is still in callback. Yeah, I know. Okay, no, I know. See, I make comments. Hey, David, why do you do that? You just want to send some cool. Wait. I can do this. Haha, you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be surprised. Wait, thank you, but nah, don't do it. Here we go. I can do it. There we go. Thank you. Good. But better would be, can you tell me where we were? This I did. Is it now in Storage City? Storage City UI doesn't exist anymore, so I will just rename it. It's old. Can't just go away, that thing. I mean, it would have probably been better. Yeah, I always have those glasses here right at my table. Because my ring light is pretty bright. Sometimes my eyes hurt when I'm streaming or when I'm making videos. And then I'm like, I'm just gonna put on my glasses. And they are in my strength, so it's not just sunglasses. It is real glasses. This goes too old. Look at me putting everything in old. What is this? Storage city? No, it's fine. Don't give me an error. Script. Oh, yeah, of course. Problem fixed. I love programming because you fix a problem and it's fixed. You know that it's not there anymore. So what we need to do now? I will not do anything like poop emoji if you post it. I cannot. A delegate. A delegate in programming is a collection of functions. You can tell this delegate, hey, you have store all. Whenever the delegate is executed, store all is also executed. So if I put like 10 functions in there, it means 10 functions are being executed. And instead of updating here, was it here? Instead of updating here, every update. Right now I'm updating every update. So whenever the game does anything, I don't want to do that. I only want to do it when something happens on this delegate, so to say. And that is exactly what I'm going to do now. No, I don't need you anymore. How do I do this? If build, blah, 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 invoke. That I need later on. There. Plus. Okay, easy. That's easy. So when the start happens... Oh, I already covered it here. When the start happens, we need to add the function to this, the storage UI function here. And it is the storage city instance. Storage city instance. Storage city dot instance. An idiot. Dot. And now, no errors? Yes, I'm the best. I'm not, but yeah. No, not at all. In class, no. No, it's completely separate. And I have not been giving many classes lately, not with students at least. Like since Corona started, classes have been limited anyway. So I have barely been in any classes. I've reduced hours, that's why I can do a lot of gaming and programming and stuff. So now I have this. This was added. And now what I want to do is whenever we hit this store all button, we want to do the callback. We want to invoke it. Is it called invoke? Yeah, it's invoke. Perfecto. Yeah. No, not with the same pay. No, unfortunately not. That's not how it works. It's not. No, it's reduced. Not by the same amount. There's something in Germany called Kurzarbeitergeld. And the state, like the state of Germany, or actually, yeah, the German government gives money to the company I'm working for, because like for a temporary support. And then I get N plus whatever I work. Still enough. It's still more than enough. In most countries you would get nothing. If this one here is not null, then I want to execute this one. Perfect. Now everything should work. Store. Oh, that's why I'm doing this. Okay. I only need to do this once, so I'll take it out of the loop. That loop doesn't make sense to put it in a loop. That would just break the game. Always take care of your loops when programming. Don't do endless loops. Don't put too many things in your loops. Loops, loop-de-loops. Always bad. Now it should work. And I am not as resource wasteful as in before. Or wasting? Resource wasting? I don't know. This looks nice. I hate that dancing thing there. Boop. And it's only updating when I press the button. Like if I would now collect something theoretically, it would not update. Like, I'm changing it. You see, I now have minus 2000 wood, and it doesn't change anything. Only if I press the button. Perfect. We have spared so many resources now. That's good. Great. That's all of this is not what I wanted to do today. Everything that I did so far, I actually wanted. If I go to this board, why are there? Oh, because I added the resources, right? Why is this 6 and this is 5? Strange. Right, there's one missing on there. What is this one? Doesn't matter. No, I won't do that now. How long have I already been programming? It's more than 1 hour, but I have made some progress. I love progress. It's great. It's probably time for some gaming, actually. That was nice. But I can still show you. Did I change anything to the thing? I don't think I did. Let's explore. Let's explore a little. Let's export. Wait, no. It's actually the most important thing about gaming is lighting. And you see, this is my lighting editor, whatever it is. And whenever you change anything, there's a button. You cannot see it. It's right behind my chair here. It's called Generate Lighting. I always have to press that button before I actually want to test. I don't have to, but if I don't press it, everything's gonna look like shit. Most important button for making your game look nice. And it's always gonna take some time. I put it so that it's really fast. It usually takes at least 20 minutes already for this little game that I have. It might go up to a couple of hours if you do it. Like baking and lighting is really complex. See, it's already done here, which is so fast because I put it to like, do it shitty. It's okay, but do it shitty. Let's test the game, and then I would say we're done with this, and then I can still like play some games. I mean, we could probably even play. What is it? Did you say Dead by Daylight? Purchase for myself, sure. Give me a minute. Purchase. Install. It's just 36 gigabyte. Ah, come on, yeah, sure. English, yeah, sure. Well, we can probably not play it because 36 gigabyte. My internet is fast, but not that fast. That's still probably 20 minutes. Good, we've got the game now, and we could play it. Where did I put the folder? There we go. Oh, there. It looks like it actually doesn't look too bad. Wait. Nah. There's easy ways to make it look pretty, like in no time, but I won't do it. This I usually do. I will do it in the final version, of course, to make it pretty. I hate this dancing guy. What's wrong with you, buddy? Why are you dancing? Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it so much. This looks great. This looks cool, actually. As a city storage, I like it. Hey, Blue. No, it doesn't. And I can easily improve it way more, actually. Oh, I still had some in my inventory. Look at this. Oh, no, I didn't. It just updated in the beginning. It just updates when I press the button. Resource nodes now. Oh, because I have one resource node. I mean, making it look pretty is gonna take some time, but it's pretty easy, actually. I'm probably just gonna make one live stream. Oh, it's just pretty. Let's collect some things. You can see. Wait, make a guess. Make a guess. Which? Did I draw these sprites, like the flashlight here, or this one, or this one, or this one? Yes, it was me. I drew the sprites. They still look ugly because I didn't really care about it. See, I've got a working flashlight. All of these work. I like that my gun. I designed that gun in Blender as well. I like that this gun is just It's pointing the other way because I had the dimensioning wrong. And I was too lazy to fix it yet because I'm gonna make like a huge parts about inventory and guns anyway. But for now, it's fine looking this way. It still looks stupid. I love it. Good. Okay, this is gonna take some time. Because all of this is gonna be the city area. You're gonna build your city here in this huge area. I might even make it bigger. Well, it's big enough. Should be enough for like 100 inhabitants or so. And then you go over there. There is the first, dungeon, so to say. Let's go in there. I'm already running. Like, this is just walking and running is pressing shift. And it's 150% of your speed. But it's still so slow. Look at this. I already have implemented this little dungeon. Actually pretty. I enjoyed so much making it. This was really content I added. And not scripting, just content. Because I already created the enemies and I just had to make the lighting and the mine. It's a little mine shaft. Yeah. If I shoot the little guys here, for example, hey, are they gonna attack me? And you can actually see my health is going down. That nothing. Look at my little dungeon. See, and that's why I set the lighting so bad. And you see here, there's still those lightning glitches. Especially when you enter somewhere, you will have a lot of lighting glitches. If you don't set your lighting settings correct, which I haven't because I set them to a very low level. Look at this, the lights are even flickering. They should be. Yeah, I can barely see it, but yeah, they're going on and off. A little bit. They should also drop, actually, I think. I don't know if I set it so that they drop things. Probably like 5% chance. Yeah, this one you can see the flickering pretty bad. I set the flickering here very high. I just wrote a script and I can do just flicker, don't flicker. That's pretty fun. Of course, I've got an unfair advantage with already a gun here. This is the first thing, you should not have a gun already. You should just have like a stick or something. But I haven't thought about the combat system yet too much. Look at this one is flickering a lot. Of course, there's debris laying around. And then at the end of this little dungeon here, we got our... This is actually the first resource node that you're gonna find. Activate it, and now we have this, and this is now available in our city. And I could give Bob or Lady the task to work here. And of course I just also select, grabbed all of it. Yeah, that's the little first dungeon. But yeah, we did the scripting. We did a lot of improvements on this. I love it. We have the storage city now. The improved storage city, already version 0.001-ish. Yeah. So many things have happened already, and that's great. How far is Dead by Daylight? Well, it's almost half done. It's gonna take 8 more minutes. David, if you're still there, we could play 1 or 2 rounds of Dead by Daylight, if you want. But only in like 10 minutes because it's still uploading. It's there, it's still downloading. And then installing. It takes 10 minutes-ish. If not, that's fine as well. What's gonna be the next thing that I'm gonna implement? Oh, the next one is, of course, that the guys that are assigned to a task, of course, they should also collect these things. They're not right now, not at all, but they will be. There you go. Lady should now be collecting these things, whatever these are, and put them in the storage. She is not. She is lazy right now. Lady, could you please do something and not just be lazy? I don't know why I give them all dancing animations. Oh, that's how it is. What's wrong with my music? My music always just stops. Yeah, this is like, I like the programming part. Good. That's all I wanted to do actually, because I needed to get my lazy ass up. And that's why I streamed. Let's make it a little prettier. I still need to get, like, I'm not doing all the textures and also the prefabs, like the things. I barely do them. Like, some of them I did, like the box I did, this little thingy here, the board I did, the platform here I did. But I didn't do the characters, I didn't do trees. I won't do many other things because it's so much effort to 3D animate and create. So I just won't do it. That's how I work. I just won't do it. Grass. Look at the nice grass we have. Nice green grass. Now the game already looks like 100 times better. I actually always wanted to study something like game design or so. I'm accidentally an engineer. Why am I an engineer? Because why not? But I never wanted to be one. But I mean, it could be worse. Look at this is pretty. This time I'll probably even leave the grass out. Usually I just delete it, but as I'm approaching a version of the game where it makes sense to have it already a little bit pretty, I'll just leave it. I might, I don't know. There we go. Look at it, it's so much prettier now already. Oh yeah. Makes sense. I mean, it doesn't make too much sense for me because I already know a lot, probably, to study something. I always wanted to. Maybe I'll make a master's degree in it also. Look at this. Undergraduate. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do an undergrad program. Look at this, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And now you can actually see the lighting around the resource hub here. If you don't have it collected, you can see there's a what is it called, a sprite system? No, it's they have a name, particle system, and also lighting around. If I collect it, boop, it's both gone. It's a standard thing there. Look at it, it's so pretty. Love it. Oh, I don't have villagers. I do have villagers. That makes sense. I'm just doing it because I want to. Oh, an artist. Oh, that's exactly what I'm not. Like, I could never be an artist. That's why all the assets for my game, I'm definitely gonna. Oh, what? Oh, this thing here is still a problem, right? Oh, I need to change it. All the assets for my game, I'm probably not gonna make them. I'm just gonna buy some. Look at this, I can make towers. There's so many free text, so many nice assets in any stores or so. So many things I can get. Why does this look like an upside down cross? I didn't want it to. Sorry, it's not an upside down cross, it is something else. It is art. But there's actually a problem. This here is actually a problem. If I press the button. No, do your projects. I'm gonna buy some. I usually, well, it's nice. I might even come back to it. But I'm just gonna buy some probably. There's nice resource packs Like there's the asset store here directly, and there's so many websites with good content. Because so many people try to freelance this. And they make some money out of it, and I want to give that. I want to give some money to the community then. Wait, I had a problem here. I have this in views. I don't want... in views. The problem is I don't want to have the storage view as it's called. Case 2, that's the one I'm talking about here. Inventory build view, whatever that is. I hope it didn't mess up everything now. I probably did. Yeah, I mean there's also trash, depending on what you want. Depending on what you want, what you need. That should be fine now. Build? Yeah. Yeah, so city storage doesn't exist anymore. I've got this build view. Oh, that's nice. I have so much more space now for building. That's good. Yeah, look at this pretty asset, for example. Isn't that pretty? That's me, so it is pretty. The prettiest. I hate this thing. Why does it dance? Why did I make it dancing? Great, perfect. This is good. We don't have any errors anymore. No compiling errors. No logical errors. Everything is great. If you are still there, David, then now's your chance. I'll be here for 1 more minute. If you want to play Dead by Daylight, I'm in. But if not, then I'll just turn off the stream. The best asset ever, yeah. I made it so that I can really easily add more cubes and items and stuff. Where do I have cubes? If I know where I have it, yeah. Blocks. Now I can just add new blocks. Like I can create new block. And I've got generic ones, and that's it. That's pretty much it. It's so nice. And I could now give it a sprite that should be on there and stuff, but I won't. Because I'm way too lazy. I have stone wall. Wood planks? Stone. What is stone wall? Didn't even know I had a stone wall one. I mean, I have wood planks. That's nice. The only problem is I have no idea to add it to my inventory. UI game? No, UI build. Is that it? Yeah, no, that's not it. UI inventory? No, is it? Yeah, headline build. There we go. I just put it there and there. What did I build? I freaking don't know anymore. That's the problem. Like, if you don't care, pay attention to what you're doing, you will never know what you did. Also, parents. There we go. Just need to clear, and there we want the wood planks. Nice. And now I should theoretically be able to place wood planks. If I did it correct, which I probably did not. I don't know. Build wood planks. There we go. Does it work? Build. Oh yeah, I can place wood planks. Look at this. This is actually nice. I could build a house. Whoops, what did I do? The variable block type. I don't know. Nice. See, I could already build a house, which like kind of Minecraft thing-ish. I like this. Looks nice. And here's what we can see with the lighting is not 100% correct. I need to rebake the lighting because here you can see the reflection on it is way too weak. But I'm way too lazy. Looks nice. I could already build like a house. Something like a house. I'm not gonna do it. Good. So David is also gone. Didn't answer. I did an hour of programming. Good. I will probably even continue offline, but I just wanted to check out what's going on online. There's been people. I've been talking. Great. Hope you enjoyed a little bit, and thanks for joining, and I'll see ya whenever I see ya. Bye bye.